Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the trade-in 2017 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. This particular boat is powered by Mercury Verado 300s with joystick piloting, underwater lights, and trim tabs. This boat also has the fold-out swim option as well. This boat has rear transom seating with flip-up backrest. Entering the boat, you have U-shaped seating with a nice teak table. Coming forward at the helm, this boat is powered by the medallion screen, joystick, and active trim. You have a lot of forward bow seating, and it also has the spotlight option as well, and windlass anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of the trade-in 2017 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.